Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background from photo using InShot application. Alright guys, first of all, open your InShot application on your phone. Then after you have your InShot application opened, you can tap on this photo button and tap on new to start creating your project, and you can select a photo that you want to remove the background. And for example, I'm going to select this one. Tap on the photo, then we can click on the count out option, so you can scroll your screen until you find the count out feature or count out option. This one, tap on this count out option, then the background will be removed automatically. Okay, now as you can see that the background has been removed, and if you are not satisfied with how it looks, you can edit the photo or the background of the photo. You can click on this erase button to erase the background manually, and you can click on the brush to get back the deleted object. And after you're done, you just need to click on this checkmark button. And alright guys, that's how we can remove background from photo using InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.